we will guide you through how to convert 4K video in HandBrake. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and enter HandBrake into the search field. Select HandBrake from the displayed applications and allow the program to finish starting up. Once the HandBrake interface is ready, click the Open Source option to load your video. Locate the 4K footage on your computer and select the file you want to convert. Wait for HandBrake to scan and analyze the video before continuing with the output settings. After the footage has loaded, open the Summary tab to review the output format and make sure the container is appropriate for your intended use. Next, switch to the Dimensions tab to check the video resolution and confirm that the output settings are configured correctly for 4K UHD. Avoid lowering the resolution if your goal is to keep the exported video in 4K. After checking the dimensions, open the Video tab to configure the encoding settings. Adjust the quality settings to balance image quality and file size, keeping in mind that higher quality may produce a larger output file and require more processing time. Choose a frame rate that matches the original footage when necessary, so the converted video maintains its original motion characteristics. Review the remaining settings to make sure they are suitable for 4K conversion, including the encoder and quality configuration. Once the video settings are ready, select the destination folder where HandBrake will save the converted file. Enter a clear and suitable name for the output video so you can easily identify it after encoding. Before starting the conversion, review all the settings one more time to make sure everything is correct. When you are satisfied with the configuration, click Start Encode to begin the conversion process.